We love our greens. There's something about the vibrant, crisp texture and the burst of freshness that makes them irresistible. Spinach, lettuce, kale, oh my. These greens are not just food, they're a celebration of nature's bounty. They're packed with vitamins and make us feel virtuous. Washing them, you can almost feel the nutrients seeping into your hands. But there's nothing virtuous about a slimy bag of spinach lurking in the back of your fridge. It's a sad reminder of good intentions gone awry. It's practically a science experiment gone wrong. The once vibrant greens now look like something from a horror movie. Once harvested, those leafy greens start a race against time. They begin to lose their vitality and nutrients almost immediately. Their goal? To turn into compost as quickly as possible. It's nature's way of recycling, but not what we want in our kitchens. But we can outsmart them, arm ourselves with knowledge, and keep those greens fresh and delicious for longer. Why do greens wilt? It's a question that has puzzled many of us as we stare at our wilted salad greens. It's a sad but fascinating tale of biology. To understand why greens wilt, we need to dive into the microscopic world of plant cells. Think of a plant as a superhighway. This superhighway is bustling with activity, transporting water and nutrients from the roots to every part of the plant. Water and nutrients travel up from the roots, keeping everything plump and happy. The roots act like a pump, drawing water from the soil and sending it upwards. But when you cut that plant, the highway is closed. The flow of water and nutrients is abruptly stopped. The leaves lose their water supply and begin to wilt. Without the constant flow of water, the cells in the leaves start to collapse, leading to that sad, droopy appearance. They also release a gas called ethylene, which sounds innocent enough. Ethylene is a natural plant hormone involved in the aging process. But ethylene is the plant world's version of a gossip queen. It whispers to nearby fruits and veggies, "Hey, let's all ripen and decompose together." This chain reaction can turn a fresh, crisper drawer into a sad, soggy mess. Not exactly the kind of party we want in our crisper drawer. So next time you see your greens wilting, remember the science behind it. It's a complex interplay of biology and chemistry, all happening right in your fridge. So how do we combat the wilting woes? First, we need to understand the enemy moisture loss and ethylene gas. Our mission? Lock in moisture and slow down those gossipy gas molecules. Enter the humble plastic bag. But not just any bag. We want those fancy, breathable produce bags. They let the greens breathe without drying out. Before you seal the bag, squeeze out as much air as possible. That's one less place for ethylene to hang out. And don't forget the paper towel. Tucked in with the greens, it'll absorb excess moisture. Now let's talk about handling. Just like we treat our favorite cast iron skillet with respect, greens deserve some TLC too. When harvesting, use a sharp knife or scissors for a clean cut. Bruising damages those delicate cell walls, leading to faster spoilage. Once you're back in the kitchen, give those greens a gentle wash. No need to be rough. Spin them dry in a salad spinner or pat them gently with a clean towel. Remember, moisture is the enemy. It may also be beneficial to use an acidic rinse for your leafy greens and herbs. Here's why it works. The acidic nature of lemon juice or vinegar helps to lower the pH of the greens. This can inhibit the enzyme that causes browning, known as polyphenol oxidase. The antioxidants in lemon juice and vinegar can also help to neutralize the free radicals that contribute to browning. So how to do it? Mix equal parts water and lemon juice or vinegar in a bowl. Immerse the washed greens in the acidic solution for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the greens from the solution, rinse them with cold water to remove any residual acidity, and pat them dry with paper towels. Bonus tips. For the best results, use freshly squeezed lemon juice. While white vinegar is effective, apple cider vinegar can also be used. After soaking, store the greens as usual in a sealed container or bag in the refrigerator. Some additional benefits are the flavor enhancement. The acidic rinse can add a subtle tang to the greens, enhancing their flavor. The acidic environment can help to inhibit the growth of certain bacteria. Ready to level up your green game? Let's talk about vacuum sealing. This method sucks out all the air, creating an ethylene-free zone. Vacuum-sealed greens can last for weeks, not days. Just be sure to use the right setting on your vacuum sealer to avoid crushing those delicate leaves. For the truly hardcore, there's controlled atmosphere storage, or CAS. It's like a spa day for your greens, with controlled temperature, humidity, and even the air composition. Unless you're running a restaurant, CAS is probably overkill. But hey, we admire your dedication. Not all greens are created equal. Each type has its own unique needs and characteristics, and understanding these can help you keep them fresh and flavorful for longer. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are the drama queens of the bunch, wilting at the drop of a hat. They are delicate and require a bit more attention to stay fresh. Store them in those breathable bags with a paper towel, and they'll stay perky for days. The paper towel helps absorb excess moisture, which can cause the leaves to wilt faster. Herbs, on the other hand, are surprisingly resilient. They can withstand a bit more neglect and still remain fresh and flavorful. Treat them like fresh-cut flowers. By trimming the stems and placing them upright in a jar of water, you can extend their freshness significantly. This method not only keeps them fresh but also makes them easily accessible for cooking. Root vegetables like carrots and beets are the low-maintenance friends. They are hardy and can last a long time with minimal care. Store them in a cool, dark place and they'll last for weeks. This is because root vegetables are designed to store energy for the plant, making them naturally long-lasting. Understanding the specific needs of each type of green can help you become a more successful gardener and cook. By giving each type of green the care it needs, you can enjoy fresher, more flavorful produce. Fresh greens can elevate any meal, adding vibrant colors, textures, and flavors. Whether you're making a simple salad or a complex dish, the quality of your greens can make a big difference. Harvesting your own greens can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get the freshest produce possible, but you also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from. Gardening can also be a great way to connect with others. Sharing tips and experiences with fellow gardeners can help you learn and grow, both as a gardener and as a member of your community. So, whether you're growing leafy greens, herbs, or root vegetables, remember that each type has its own unique needs. By understanding and meeting these needs, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, delicious greens. Asparagus, those elegant stalks of spring, deserve their own category. To keep them crisp, trim the ends and stand them upright in a jar with about an inch of water. It's like a mini spa treatment, keeping them hydrated and happy. Change the water every day or two and they'll stay fresh for up to a week. Why go through all this trouble for fresh greens? Because fresh simply tastes better. Crisp lettuce, fragrant herbs, and sweet, snappy asparagus elevate any dish. Plus, fresh greens are more nutritious. Vitamins and antioxidants start to decline the moment a plant is harvested. So, the fresher the greens, the more goodness you're getting. With a little knowledge and effort, you can keep those greens fresh and delicious. So go forth, stock up on your favorite greens, and enjoy the bounty. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Happy gardening!